In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize snooze times. If you've ever seen an important email right when you're busy and wished it would come back at a more convenient moment, this is exactly what Snooze is for. By default, Gmail suggests options like later today or tomorrow, but you're not limited to those. You can set the precise date and time that fits your schedule, down to the minute. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in. You can do this from your inbox or from within an email. Both work the same way. In your inbox, hover your mouse over the message you want to defer. You'll see a small row of icons appear on the right. Look for the clock icon labeled Snooze. If you already have the email open, the clock icon is in the toolbar at the top of the message. Click the Snooze icon. A small panel will pop up with the usual quick suggestions. Instead of choosing one of those, select Pick Date and Time. This is the key to customizing your reminder. A calendar and time selector will appear. Click the date you want the email to return to your inbox. Then click the time field to set the exact time. You can type it or choose from the list. Just double check AM or PM so it lands when you expect. If you prefer 24-hour time, that works as well. When you're happy with your selection, click Save. The email disappears from your inbox and moves to your snoozed view, and Gmail will bring it back at the exact date and time you set. You'll also get a notification like any new email, so it's hard to miss. This custom choice overrides Gmail's default snooze suggestions, giving you full control over timing. A few quick tips to make this even more useful. Pick times you're actually able to act, like the start of your workday, right after a standing meeting, or a quiet evening slot. If you're planning across time zones, remember that snooze times follow your current Gmail time zone, so adjust if you're traveling. And if you're using this for follow-ups, consider consistent times, say 9 o'clock a.m., for a predictable routine. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail, hover or open the message, click Snooze, choose Pick Date and Time, set your custom date and exact time, and save. With this, your inbox works on your schedule, not the other way around.